Welcome to this tutorial on creating analytics charts in SAP IBP. Analytics charts allow you to display your data using several different types of charts, such as bar charts, pie charts, heat maps, and so on. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create analytics charts step by step. Section 1. Accessing the Analytics app and initiating the process. Step 1. Click the Create button. Step 2. Select the Analytics chart. The Analytics Details page will appear. Let's move on to Section 2. Selecting Time Periods. Step 1. Click Time Periods button. The Select Time Periods pop-up will appear. Step 2. Click Time Level drop-down. Step 3. Select Time Level, for example, Month. Step 4. Click Selection Mode drop-down. Step 5. Select Selection Mode, for example, Previous X months. Step 6. Input number, for example, 12. Step 7. Click OK button. The Select Time Periods pop-up will disappear. Section 3. Selecting Planning Filter. Step 1. Click Planning Filter drop-down. Step 2. Select Planning Filter, for example, IMPF01. Section 4. Enter a name and description. Step 1. Enter a name for the analytics chart, for example, IM. Step 2. Enter a description for the analytics chart, for example, analytics chart for IBP in minutes. Section 5. Selecting Key Figures. Step 1. Click Key Figures button. The Key Figures pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter the key figure ID or name you want to add in the search field. For example, the key figure ID could be ACDULSQTY. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the ACDULSQTY key figure and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional key figures as needed. Step 5. After adding the key figures, click the Select button. Section 6. Selecting Group By. Step 1. Click Group By button. The Group By pop-up will appear. Step 2. Enter the attribute name you want to use in the search field. For example, the attribute name could be Month. Step 3. Click the search icon. Step 4. Locate the month attribute and select the checkbox on the left. You can add as many additional attributes as needed. Step 5. After adding the attributes, click the Select button. Section 7. Selecting Chart Type. Step 1. Press Page Down on the keyboard. The Chart Type page will appear. Step 2. Click the chart type, for example, Column. Step 3. Now we can preview the analytics chart. Click Auto Refresh icon. Step 4. Confirm all fields and then click the Save button. In summary, creating analytics charts in SAP IBP involves accessing the Analytics app, applying filters, adding key figures, grouping data, and selecting the appropriate chart type. Additionally, you can also configure additional settings such as unit of measure or chart options. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.